Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you a few quick steps to repair corrupted files on Windows 11. So let's start. So first I will go to this window icon, right click on this, open the terminal in admin mode. Yes, first we will use sfc space scan. Now hit enter and it will scan the computer for corrupted file, and if it can fix it, it will fix it. Now as you can see, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So now I will use the second method. So I'll paste the command here, DISM online clean up image, check health. So we will use this command. Now you can see the component store is repairable. The operation completed successfully. Now we will use another command. I'll paste the command here. This command will be available in the description of the video. I'll enter this. So now it is scanning all the files. It has scanned it 87%. So we will wait. So now the scanning is complete. So we will give it the restore health command and hit enter. So it will also take some time, so we will wait. Now you can see that the restoring is started. So the scanning also completed. So now we will use this disk checking. But after these three commands, you should restart your system. I'll use the check disk command. From here you can change the disk which you want to check. If you want to check D, you can use D here. I'll hit enter, press Y here, and it will check this disk on the next restart.